Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.